Visit us on onestepenglish.education.
Growing English words.
Agony. Agony is a noun. It is a great pain of mind or body, a suffering. For example, the injured soldier cried in agony during his physical therapy.
The injured soldier cried in agony during his physical therapy.
Cask. Cask is a noun. It is a barrel-shaped container, especially one for holding liquids. For example, after the grapes have been crushed and pressed, they were placed in a large cask.
After the grapes have been crushed and pressed, they were placed in a large cask.
Catapult. Catapult is a noun. It is a machine used in ancient wars that threw objects with great force. For example, the warriors used a catapult to break the huge gates of their enemies.
The warriors used a catapult to break the huge gates of their enemies.
Colony. Colony is a noun. It is a group of people, animals, or plants living close together. For example, there lived a colony of bees on the tree.
There lived a colony of bees on the tree.
Harbor. Harbor is a noun. It is a protected place along a seacoast where ships can find shelter. For example, after long trips, the harbor is busy with sailboats going in and out.
After long trips, the harbor is busy with sailboats going in and out.
Ascend. Ascend is a verb. It means to rise, usually in a steady way. For example, they watch the hot air balloon slowly ascend into the sky.
They watch the hot air balloon slowly ascend into the sky. After long trips, the harbor is busy with sailboats going in and out.
Hew. Hew is a verb. It means to chop down or cut with blows from an axe. To cut or shape with blows of an axe or similar tool. For example, the two brothers hewed logs to build a cabin.
The two brothers hewed logs to build a cabin.
Huddle. Huddle is a verb. It means to crowd together. To curl one's limbs up close to one's body. For example, the team huddled together to plan their next move.
The team huddled together to plan their next move.
Waddle. Waddle is a verb. It means to walk with short steps, swaying from side to side. For example, the penguins waddled through the snow.
The penguins waddled through the snow.
Mimic. Mimic is a verb. It means to copy or imitate closely, to make fun of by imitating. For example, the veggie burger mimicked the flavor of a cheeseburger.
The veggie burger mimicked the flavor of a cheeseburger.
Let's apply your knowledge.
Quiz number 1.
Ready your pen and paper.
Choose the correct pair of answer.
Number 1.
Letter A. To make something go down.
Letter B. To ascend.
Letter C. Means to go up or climb.
Letter D. To let something move across.
The correct answers are letter B, to ascend, and letter C, means to go up or climb. Number 2.
Letter A. To huddle.
Letter B. To agonize.
Letter C, means to crowd together.
Letter D. Means to forgive someone.
The correct answers are letter A, to huddle, and letter C, means to crowd together. Number 3.
Letter A. To mimic something is.
Letter B. To rest.
Letter C. To hew means.
Letter D. To copy someone or their actions.
The correct answers are letter A, to mimic something is, and letter D, to copy someone or their actions. Number 4.
Letter A. If someone waddles.
Letter B. He or she is moving across.
Letter C. If someone ascends.
Letter D. He or she is walking with short steps.
The correct answers are letter A, if someone waddles, and letter D, he or she is walking with short steps. Number 5.
Letter A. Is a forked stick with an elastic band fastened to 2 prongs.
Letter B. A harbor.
Letter C is a place for dancing.
Letter D. A catapult.
The correct answers are letter A, is a forked stick with an elastic band fastened to 2 prongs, and letter D, a catapult. Number 6.
Letter A. Is a tool for farming.
Letter B. A harbor.
Letter C, a cask.
Letter D. Is a place on the coast where vessels may find shelter.
The correct answers are letter B, a harbor, and letter D, is a place on the coast where vessels may find shelter. Number 7.
Letter A. A colony.
Letter B. A catapult.
Letter C is an area under the control of another country.
Letter D. Is a sweet candy.
The correct answers are letter A, a colony, and letter C, is an area under the control of another country. Number 8.
Letter A. A large container-like barrel.
Letter B. A harbor.
Letter C. A cask.
Letter D. Is a place where people drink.
The correct answers are letter A, a large container like a barrel, and letter C, a cask. Number 9.
Letter A. If someone mimics.
Letter B. If someone experiences agony.
Letter C, he she in extreme pain.
Letter D. He or she is singing.
The correct answers are letter B, if someone experiences agony, and letter C, he or she is in extreme pain. Number 10.
Letter A. If someone hews.
Letter B. He or she likes to chop or cut.
Letter C, she he likes space.
Letter D. If someone huddles.
The correct answers are letter A, if someone hews, and letter B, he or she likes to chop or cut. Let's apply your knowledge.
Quiz number 2.
Ready your pen and paper. Spell the correct word.
Number 1. EHW. It means to chop down or cut with blows from an axe.
The answer is hew. It means to chop down or cut with blows from an axe.
Number 2. DDALEW. It means to walk with short steps.
The answer is waddle. It means to walk with short steps.
Number 3. MICMI. It means to copy or imitate closely.
The answer is mimic. It means to copy or imitate closely.
Number 4. UDDLEH. It means to crowd together.
The answer is huddle. It means to crowd together.
Number 5. ASDENC. It means to rise, usually in a steady way.
The answer is ascent. It means to rise, usually in a steady way.
Number 6. CTPLTAAU. A machine that threw objects with great force.
The answer is catapult. A machine that threw objects with great force.
Number 7. LOCONY. A group of people, animals, or plants living close together.
The answer is colony. A group of people, animals, or plants living close together.
Number 8. BORHRA. A protected place along a seacoast where ships can find shelter.
The answer is harbor. A protected place along a seacoast where ships can find shelter.
Number 9. SKCA. A barrel-shaped container, especially one for holding liquids.
The answer is cask. A barrel-shaped container, especially one for holding liquids.
Number 10. ANGOY. Great pain of mind or body, suffering.
The answer is agony. Great pain of mind or body, suffering.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.education.